Welcome to this lesson on speed, distance, and time. This is one of the highest value topics on the LANTITE because it combines calculation skills with real-world reasoning. Whether you are working out how long a car trip takes, comparing running speeds, or calculating distances on a map, the same three formulas apply. Today we will master these formulas, learn to convert speed units, and tackle multi-step LANTITE problems. Here is what we will cover. First, the three core formulas linking speed, distance, and time. Then the formula triangle, which is a visual tool to help you rearrange the formulas quickly. We will practice converting speed units, calculating average speed, and solving problems where speeds vary over different sections of a journey. Finally, we will compare speeds given in different units, which is a classic LANTITE question type. Here are the three formulas that connect speed, distance, and time. Speed equals distance divided by time. Distance equals speed times time. Time equals distance divided by speed. The formula triangle is a brilliant visual tool. Place distance at the top and speed and time side by side at the bottom. When you want to find one of these three values, cover it with your finger. What remains tells you the formula. Cover distance and you see speed times time. Cover speed and you see distance over time. Cover time and you see distance over speed. This triangle is your best friend for SDT problems. Let's start with a straightforward example. A car travels 240 kilometers in 3 hours. What is its speed? We need speed, so cover S in the triangle. We see distance over time. 240 divided by 3 equals 80 kilometers per hour. Always check your unit's distance was in kilometers, and time was in hours, so the speed is in kilometers per hour. This is the most common speed unit in Australia. Now let's find distance and time. Part A, a cyclist rides at 15 kilometers per hour for 2.5 hours. How far does she travel? Cover D in the triangle to see speed times time. 15 times 2.5 equals 37.5 kilometers. Part B, a bus travels 180 kilometers at 60 kilometers per hour. How long does it take? Cover T to see distance over speed. 180 divided by 60 equals 3 hours. Each time, the triangle tells you exactly what to do. Speed unit conversion is a frequent LANTITE topic. To convert kilometers per hour to meters per second, divide by 3.6. To go the other way, multiply by 3.6. Why 3.6? Because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 1,000 divided by 3,600 simplifies to 1 over 3.6. So 90 kilometers per hour divided by 3.6 equals 25 meters per second. And 12 meters per second times 3.6 equals 43.2 kilometers per hour. Average speed is a favorite LANTITE topic. A family drives 115 kilometers from Melbourne to Ballarat, including a 20-minute petrol stop in a total of 1 hour 40 minutes. What is their average speed? The crucial formula is average speed equals total distance divided by total time. Do not be tempted to ignore the stop. Average speed includes all time, including rest stops. Convert 1 hour 40 minutes to hours. 40 over 60 is 2/3, so approximately 1.667 hours. Then, divide. 115 divided by 1.667 equals 69 kilometers per hour. Remember, average speed always uses total distance over total time. This is a very important example because it highlights a common trap. A teacher drives 20 kilometers at 80 kilometers per hour, then 5 kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. What is her average speed? Many students would just average 80 and 40 to get 60, but that is wrong. We must calculate the time for each section first. Highway. 20 divided by 80 equals 0.25 hours, or 15 minutes. Town, 5 divided by 40 equals 0.125 hours, or 7.5 minutes. Total distance is 25 kilometers. Total time is 0.375 hours. Average speed equals 25 divided by 0.375, which is 66.7 kilometers per hour. Not 60. You cannot simply average the speeds. Here are the 4 most common mistakes. First, averaging speeds directly instead of using total distance over total time. This is the biggest trap in SDT problems. Second, mismatched units. If your speed is in kilometers per hour, your time must be in hours, not minutes. Convert 30 minutes to 0.5 hours before substituting. Third, forgetting to include stops when calculating average speed. Total time means all the time, including breaks. Fourth, dividing when you should multiply. The triangle eliminates this confusion. Always use it. Here is a LANTITE-style comparison problem. 2 students run 400 meters. Student A finishes in 62 seconds. Student B runs at 6 meters per second. Who wins? First, find student A's speed. 400 divided by 62 equals 6.45 meters per second. Student A is faster. But the question asks by how many seconds, so let's find student B's time. 400 divided by 6 equals 66.7 seconds. The difference is 66.7 minus 62, which is 4.7 seconds. Student A wins by approximately 4.7 seconds. Notice how we needed to calculate both speed and time to fully answer the question. When speeds are given in different units, you must convert to the same unit before comparing. A cheetah runs at 30 meters per second, and a car drives at 100 kilometers per hour. Convert the cheetah's speed to kilometers per hour by multiplying by 3.6. 30 times 3.6 equals 108 kilometers per hour. The cheetah at 108 kilometers per hour is faster than the car at 100 kilometers per hour by 8 kilometers per hour. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and try these 6 problems. Problem 1. A train travels 360 kilometers in 4 hours. What is its speed? Problem 2. A jogger runs at 8 kilometers per hour for 45 minutes. How far does she run? Problem 3. Convert 108 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Problem 4. A car drives 120 kilometers at 60 kilometers per hour, then 80 kilometers at 80 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed for the whole journey? Problem 5. How long does it take to travel 210 kilometers at 70 kilometers per hour? Problem 6. Convert 2 meters per second to kilometers per hour. Check your answers on screen. Let's recap. The 3 formulas are speed equals distance over time, distance equals speed times time, and time equals distance over speed. Use the SDT triangle to remember them. Cover what you want. To convert between kilometers per hour and meters per second, use 3.6. Average speed is always total distance divided by total time, never average speeds directly. And always make sure your units match before you substitute into the formula. My top LANTITE tip is to draw the SDT triangle on your working paper right at the start of the test. It will help you on multiple questions. Good luck!